Good people of mine, mko waje? Mko fiti? I'm grateful for that. I just have some migraine. I don't know why. Kama ni venye sikunywe maji vizuri. I just decided to start this vlog. It's around 7 and I was like, why don't I do it? And as you can see, I did a cover up of a certain tattoo I had done. Alikuwa amenichora vibaya, so I had to do this cover up of it. Nitaiona it's nika feather and then there is twigo ziko hapo hivyo juu. And that's one of the reason yenye imekuwa like inafanya nisitoke kwa nyumba. I've been staying from actually Monday and today it's on Friday. You can imagine from all that time sijakuwa nikitoka kwa nyumba. I'm not been cooking or doing anything. Most of the time you find I will order something ndo niletewe, and I've actually ordered for some chips, yeah, so that I can take. But yesterday I managed kutoka and I'm telling you, people are like walikuwa wananiangalia, they thought I had a bun, zile plastic bun ka venye mtu nakuanga na vita alafu you get burned, maybe they thought. But anyway, so they were all looking at me and I was like, guys, mwacha kuniangalia. And you can't keep on explaining to everyone it's a tattoo that yenye umefanya. So if you like this tattoo, DM me and then I will connect you to the person who drew this on me. He's a professional one, by the way, and he's cost effective. Which challenge would I say that I faced? Not sleeping well, nalala na side moja, so napata hapa naumia. The other thing is that it's just sleeping well because I don't feel any pain. That's it. And then you can't just wear clothes that itafunika hapa. What else? You can't go out kwa sababu ya the sunlight isichome. That's it. And kuoga wadau najipanguza. Najipanguza tu, like staki isplashwe na maji. But we are all going, tunaendelea tu vizuri. Just want to take some painkiller sababu naumwa na kichwa ama ni juu ya kukaa kwa nyumba sana and then mezi ya kutoka. So let's see how this night goes on. Nimepata what I've ordered for, so I'm just taking that. Unataka kuonekana? Hapana. Utaki watu wako na kutisha chipo na venye chipo zako ni supu. There he cooks cute chips. Type yana namba. Anyway, he's shy. Next time ataingia kwa vlog. The following day tulilala hivi. Yeah, it's on Sunday. No, not a happy Sunday, a happy Saturday in the morning around 9. And ndo nimeamka. Yes, hivi ndo nalalanga wadau. Situanishangi sana. I've not opened the windows, that's why it is. Leo nataka open the windows. Alafu ni arrange nyumba kidogo, I take a shower. Oh my god, I just feel so mad. Niko na nguvu fulani yenye sielewi mbona na feel hivyo. Nguvu plus happiness plus everything. And kindly follow me on my Instagram page, Shiko_Paul, Shiko_Paul. On TikTok, @ShikoPaul1. On my Facebook, Shiko_Paul. What else? Any subscribe, like, comment, share. Okay. guys, that's the end of the video. Yeah, that's just how my morning was. And continue subscribing, liking and sharing this video, and I really appreciate. Okay, bye.